Miriang tabiriba mayampunamak ahanba maktaday kay kumnabu utsay ngasi August ki tang tara humdoy athobu singhi numintni. Welcome to the Patriots Quiz, the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891, which is organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC, Lilong Haorevi College. This day, the 13th of August 2021, the Patriots Day. We have about 50 participants who were registered through our official website www.lilonghaorevicollege.edu.in. Representing Manipur University are the students Oinam Vidyasagar Singh, Laisram Sana Jawbus Singh, Lilong Haorevi College students Khulakpam Akbar Khan, Mohammad Zakaria, MD Raiz Khan, KH Shakil Ahmad, Mohammad Sabir Ahmad, Suyef Akhtar, Mohammad Jamil Ahmad, Dolai Pabam Ristana, Warisa, MM Sahid, MD Amir Hussain, MD Sujat Mehdi, BM Wasim Sarfaz, Mohammad Safwan Khan, MK Farhana Sultana, Mohammad Hussain Ahmad. And we have the participants representing DM College of Arts, Malem Nganbi Debi Ngangom, Mohammad Samir Khulakpam, Alam Saha Khulakpam, Mohammad Wakil Ahmad, Mohammad Samir Khan, YM Huma Khan, Huirem Melody Debi, FM Anis Khan, Hafiz Abdul Muid, Mutum Tenisun Singh. These are the students representing DM College of Arts. In DM College of Science, we have Hemjit Yumnam, Dolai Pabam Anas Ali, KM Samir. Khatri Mayum Krishna Nanda Singh from Thobal Wangmataba Mathaklikai. He is representing SGGS Sector 26 CHD. Lairen Lakpam Rupachandra Singh from Wangoi Longjam Laikai, representing PGDAB College, Delhi University. Dhananjoy Laisram from Yumnam Huidrom, representing Zakir Hussain College, Delhi University. Guru Mayum Gopal Krishna Sharma, Lairik Yangbam Makhalekai, Department of Physics and Astrophysics, Delhi University. Maibam Nasir Hussain from Thobal Moizing, representing Maharaja Bodhachandra College. Nongmaikapam Denison Singh, representing Jawaharlal Nehru Vidyalaya Khumbong, JNB Khumbong. These are the students, and we also have so many other participants who were not registered within the stipulated time. But we are just allowing all the participants the Patriots Day quiz competition in connection with the commemoration of the sacrifice of the heroes of Manipur. On this day, the 13th of August 2021, the Patriots Day. The Anglo-Manipur War of 1891 quiz competition organized by IQAC Lilong Haorevi College. Thank you so much, and this is Premjit Yumna. I am not giving the questions if you are not showing up your face. Hemjit Yumnam, Dhananjoy Laisram, Laire Lakpam Rupachandra, Thongaram Barun Singh, PH Taslima. Once again, we have Amir Hussain, Gopal Krishna Guru Mayum, Oinam Vidyasagar, Ningthauzam Vidya Lakshmi, Malem Nganbi Debi Ngangbom, BM Wasim Safras, and Samila Sahani. This is your rupees 500 question. In which year did British Empire conquer Myanmar, Burma? In what terms did Manipur help British in the said conquer? Okay. 1824. And in what terms and conditions did Manipur helped British Empire? Malem Nganbi Debi Ngangom. What are the terms and conditions? In what terms? My question is, in what terms did Manipur help British Empire in the said conquer of the British over Burma. Matamduda Manipur gi mateng khara lauraga British Empire se Burma lebak se joy tauki. Then
the British
melody
the Burmese from the Manipur the British na mating panga Burmese do pwede wala ko ba when mating panga
Melody Luang Zubair Sesam Wakil Maibom Oinam Vidyasagar 500 question Wasim Safraz K.H. Hussaini Khongram Barun Gopal Krishna Guru Mayum Samila Sahani Jamil Ahmad is no longer there and these people are not there. So I click the answer. The answer would be, the answer is 1895 is the year in which British Empire conquered Burma, and the help that Burmese people took from Manipur was with the help of Manipur in logistics and human resources. How old was Tikendrajit when he was hanged to death on 13 August 1891?
35 years, sir. 35.
35 years. Then who is this? Zubair Sesam.
32 years.
Sahid Makak Mayum. Tongbram Barun.
Yes, sir. Sahid from 33 years.
Wasim Malemnganbi Devi Ngangom.
36, sir.
36 years. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
I think you have rightly given answer. 36 years. How old was Tikendrajit when he was hanged to death on 13 August 1891 is 36 years. 36 yes, 36 years is the right answer. That's why I'm 36 years. 36. So that fellow whose name was Ngangom, who was that?
Malem Nganbi, sir.
Malem Nganbi Ngangom. So Malem Nganbi Ngangom, she will receive a special gift for giving the answer of this question. And if you score 5 gifts at this session, you will be awarded rupees 1,000. So I'm just noting down the name of, who is that? Malem Nganbi Ngangom. Malem Nganbi Ngangom is the student of which college? So after this, I'm just giving some of the multiple choice type questions. MCT. So anybody who can give the answer of this question. Yes, this is Wakil Maibom. Wakil Maibom. I'll
Number 1.
Question number 1. You have to say the another name of Thangal general out of the following.
Siddhananda.
Siddhananda is the right answer. So 10 points. Next, Tenisul Mutum. Please
Yes,
choose
sir.
the number.
3, sir.
Question number, please.
3.
Question number 3. Whose death sentence was commuted to transportation of life? Your options are Surchandra Angausana, Kulachandra Pakasana.
Kulachandra.
Kulachandra. Are you sure? Say 10 points. 10 points to Tenisun Mutum. So I'm just giving the next question to the one who raised up your hands. Sahid Makang Mayum.
Number 2, sir.
Number 2. Tikendrajit was born on which of the following? Your options are 29th December 1856, 13 August 1891, 20th May 1886 and 21st December 1847.
A, sir.
Pardon?
A.
A. What is there in A?
29 December 1856.
29 December 1856 is the right answer. 10 points. Next, I am just giving the question to Ningthaujam Vidya Lakshmi.
Sir, 5.
Question number 5. Tikendrajit and Surchandra were uterine brothers, non-uterine brothers. They are just cousins and fathers and sons. Ningthaujam Vidya Lakshmi.
Uterine brothers.
Uterine brothers. Are you sure? This is non-uterine brothers. Sorry, Vidya Lakshmi. Next, I give the question to Melody Luang.
Yes, sir. 6.
Question number 6. Which of the following is rightly matched in terms of their positions in the battlefields? Your options are Pauna, Mairaba, Sangoisana, Pauna, Tikendrajit, Songtha Mia, Tikendrajit, Pauna, Thangal, Pauna, Mairaba, Sangoisana, Pauna, Tikendrajit, Songtha Mia, Thangal, Tikendrajit, Yankhoiba, Tikendrajit, Pauna, Thangal. Which one is the right answer? Krishnananda, do you have any answer? Krishnananda also? He is also not having any answer.
Sir, D.
D. Krishnananda, Tikendrajit, Pauna, Thangal. Which of the following is rightly matched in terms of their positions in the battlefields? Next, I give Lairen Lakpam Rupa Chandro.
Sir, option B.
Option, what is there in B?
Pauna, Tikendrajit, Songtha Mia.
Pauna, Tikendrajit, Songtha Mia. They were together in the battlefield. Samila Sahani. Samila C. What is there in C, please? Others, please keep in, when you are not speaking, keep in mute. When not speaking, just keep in mute. Samila Sahani, please. Speak up.
Sir, I can.
What is there in A? Anyway, so many people. Yeah. Pauna, Mairaba, Sangoisana, they were together in the battlefield. So many people. So I am not. I cannot identify who is giving the answer. Anyway, next question. I am just set to. This is, who is this one? Warisa. On 22nd September 1890. On 22nd September 1819, what had happened? A. Thangal was born. B. Tikendrajit became the king. C. Grimwood was killed. D. Palace revolt broke out. What is there in B? Rupachandra. Anyway, is there any other? Tikendrajit was No, so many people.
Palace revolt broke out. D.
Anyway, yes, that there was the palace revolt on that very day, because that's also important. So I'm giving one single person that I'm just selecting. A person I'm just selecting from the grid. Tenisun Mutum. Second time. Tenisun Mutum. Second time. Question number 10. Okay. Tikendrajit became a champion in horse riding and polo at the age of how many years? 10 years, 12 years, 16 years and 17 years.
Yes, sir. 12 years.
12 years. Are you sure? Tenisun?
Yes, sir.
12 years is the right answer. So 10 points to Tennyson. 10 plus 10, then you have already 20 points. Question number 9. Question number 8. So please see the question. J.W. Quinton reached Manipur with how many soldiers? 50, 500, 1,000, 1,500 soldiers. Zubair Chesam. Question is meant for Zubair Chesam only.
500 soldiers are B.
Are you sure? Option number B, 500 soldiers is the right answer. So 10 points. Wakil has scored 10 points. Tennyson 20 points. And Zubair 10 points. And Malem Nganbi Devi Ngangom, she has scored rupees 500. He is born in Dhaka and educated at the Lincoln Inn. He appealed to the Excellency, the Viceroy, in council on behalf of Kulachandra Singh Maharaj and Tikendrajit, having been pleased to permit a submission of the written representation on behalf of the princess on the 25th July 1891. Who is this person? Malem Nganbi Devi Ngangom, I think you have won rupees 500. Amuka won Toningbra. Mathang dai pire atopada Taslima Krishnananda loi hai kare Hemjit Yumnam maming kanane haba nupasi kanane haba.
Sir, happy Adu.
Let me try.
Let me try si kanano.
Sir,
Maming haibiyo.
Alam Sahab na kumsa.
Alam Sahadu masak udabanina alam na hari ra mapana hari ra khang daba adugini.
Ay na video si won to si ya.
Ya da.
Post na yan. Disable na.
Anyway, masak udradi wahangdu ta den tawne. Taslima da tau. Anyway, Krishnananda, do you have any answer? Malem Nganbi Devi Ngangom. Hayo.
Manmohan Ghosh sir.
Kanano habiri se Krishnananda ra. Sana jabu ji karo na leino ayu. Ko.
Video on to
Okay. Anyway, Sana Jauba, thank you so much for giving the answer of this question. This is the answer. Thank you so much. Ma'am, puna ma kuba kubiyo. One set kare 2, 3, 4, 5 te lobiyo.
4 sir.
4. Okay. Hamzit Yumnam. Yes. I click question number 4. The case was not one for the extension of Your Majesty's clemency. The Senapati was the prime mover, both in conspiracy, which led to the downfall of the lawful ruler of the state, and in the rebellion, which led to the massacre. So, the question is, who wrote and to whom? This telegram is written by whom, and it is written to whom? By whom and to whom? Zabil Ahmad. Okay,
sir.
Okay.
Political agent of Assam.
Who is the political agent of Assam?
Greenwood.
Sorry. Wakil Maibam. Quinton. See, telegram message Munna Pabiro. The case was not one for the extension of Your Majesty's clemency. The Senapati was the prime mover, both in conspiracy, which led to the downfall of the lawful ruler of the state, and in the rebellion, which led to the massacre. And in the rebellion, which led to the massacre. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much. Please give him a big round of applause. He has rightly given answer. So I just award you 10 points, and altogether you have now 15 points. For the first position, kita mungta sana jawbaga hujik teni sunga kanna neck to neck chanari. Kana gino question hangbiyo hai biri sir. Now the answer was like that. Lord Lansdowne wrote back to the Queen Victoria. So Sana Java has rightly answered the question. Lord Lansdowne wrote back to the Queen Victoria. Anyway, I'm just giving question to Malem Nganbi Debi Ngangom. Malem Nganbi Debi Ngangom.
Yes, sir.
Please choose any of the numbers. 1, question number 5. Okay. This was okay. The trials of Tikendrajit and other prisoners were conducted in 3 languages, and the records were kept only in English. I'm just repeating. The trials of Tikendrajit and other prisoners were conducted in 3 languages, and the records were kept only in English. What were the 3 languages? Malem Nganbi Debi Ngangom. Oh. Anyway, Tennyson, I'm just coming to Tennyson.
The English, Manipuri, and Urdu.
Where is Tennyson? I'm just finding out Tennyson. Yeah, I can see you now. Okay. Tennyson. Thank you so much for giving the answer rightly, because the correct answer is he said the 3 languages are English, Manipuri, and Urdu. Okay. Asi ahum si sinabasina kari difficulties thon ki ba khorin ki ba wari yotai Tennyson mutum khara habi udra. Okay. Anyway, you have now scored 25 points. So here is your question. About midnight, after the British officials were beheaded in front of the dragoons, the Manipuris again opened fire on the residency. And after a short interval, Mrs. Grimwood, wife of the political agent, fled to Kasar for life with a British army official. You have to say the name of the British army official. Others, please keep.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, now Taslima. Jamil Madi Kumdre. Anyway, Farhana. Malem Nganbi ka naam si tholok tare. Wakil Maibom. Wasim Sarfaz. About midnight, after the British officials were beheaded in front of the dragoons, the Manipuris again opened fire on the residency. And after a short interval, Mrs. Grimwood, wife of the political agent, fled to Kasar for life with a British army official. Who was the army official? What is your answer? Heights Colin. Anyway, is there any other answer? Tenisul Mutum. Sana Jauba. Jubair Sesam. Husseini. Anyway, no one is giving the answer. Lyren Lakpa Murupa Chandro.
Sir, Colonel
Colonel. This is Captain Boileau. Captain Boileau is the answer. Anyway, it was published in July 1891 in London. I repeat, it was published in July 1891 in London, along with a transcript of the trials of the Sanapati, Tikendrajit, and the regent. You have to name the document which was published in July 1891 in London. Rupachandra.
Document hai sir.
Yeah. There are some sort of written documents. It was published in July 1891 in London, and the transcript of the same. This is the transcript of the trials of Tikendrajit Senapati and the regent. This was published. Yes, the appeal of the Manipur princess. It was published in July 1891 in London, along with a transcript of the trials of the Senapati and the regent. I think you have rightly answered the question. This is the appeal of the Manipur princess by Mano Mohan Ghosh, who is a Dhaka-born, appeal in favor of, on behalf of Bir Tikendrajit. Anyway, 5 marks to you, Wasim. BM Wasim, 5 marks. Now the last question, this will be the last question for the Patriots Quiz competition organized by Lilong Horebi College Internal Quality Assurance Cell. I just give the opportunity to choose Tenisun Mutum.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. From the second row.
8, sir. 8.
Question number 8. Certified date. Tongal was this 13th day of August 1891. Hanged at Manipur in my presence. And I examined the body after hanging for the space of 1 hour and found life to be extinct. Who certified this and to whom? Tenisun Mutum.
Yes, sir. Sir, Mr. Quinton, si Commissioner Opasa.
He is certifying. Certified date, Tongal was this 13th day of August 1891, hanged at Manipur in my presence, and I examined the body after hanging for the space of 1 hour and found life to be extinct. I am just passing the question to Farhana Sultana. Jamil Ahmad, Sana Jauba, do you have any answer?
Sir, I will try to
Try to be try.
Si certified to be Mr. Matanduki, Manipurki, political agent of Bahai, the Anova Maxwell political agent Maxwell. Masina, London in the University.
No, he cannot identify. I think he cannot certify at that. Ningthauzam Bidya Lakshmi, K.S. Hussaini, Zubair Sesam.
Hello.
Tabir, try to be.
Matanduki Viceroy Lansdowne.
Lansdowne Sunate. Lansdowne Nate. Sana Jauba. Malem Ganbi.
Sir, try to be.
Oh. Anyway, no one. Doctor already Sumamani na have the mummy Karikoeva. A colon, he is a surgeon, senior medical officer, Manipur, and he certified the death certificate of there Tongal is written, but actually it is none other Thangal General. Thangal General, okay, his death certificate. So thank you so much. Who is that fellow? Gopal Krishna. Gopal Krishna, so far he is not scoring any other points, but I am just awarding Gopal Krishna 5 points, pass point of 5. Now, I think it will be the last question. This will be the last question. Remaining numbers are 9, 10, 7. Warisa, Wakil Maibom, Wasim Sarfaz.
10, sir.
10. Here is your question. Ningthauzam Bidya Lakshmi. This is a statement. If you ride in the line of fire, you must expect to be shot. Who said and to whom? If you ride...
Sorry, sir.
Okay, sorry is not the answer. K. Suseni, Zubair Sesam, Dhananjoy, do you have any answer? Anyway, if you ride in the line of fire, you must expect to be shot. Who said and to whom? No one is going to give the answer. Bir Tikendrajit is not the person who said this. Second option. Anyway, the statement was given by Thangal General to the political agent James Johnstone. When James Johnstone was horse riding exercise in the morning, the native soldiers of Manipur under the leadership of Thangal General was in shooting practice. Johnstone nearly missed a bullet that whizzed past his neck. He complained to the Maharaja Chandrakirti about the incident that took place and for immediate booking of the criminal. When the old general, Thangal General, was summoned before the king, the old man quietly replied to him the statement. That statement, if you ride in the line of fire, Nahagna aigi nongmai marugi mapada nang na chatlabadi sagol thoraga chatlabadi nangon da panba tare haire aseng badi Sir James Johnstone na Chandrakirti Maharaj da nangi mi amana nongmai kapada aigi ngakta sitlaga chatkhare ai siramadi kamdoni aduna ma phao senaba medu phao haibani Chandrakirti na Thangal General du kauraga kramain to bono nang na James Johnstone da nongmai kapati haibada mana khumbani mana sagol thobu do ai nongmai marugi mapada thorabadi ma soidana panba tawani. Anyway, thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much all the participants. BM Wasim Sarfaz, Zubair Sesam, Tenisun Mutum, Sana Jauba, Ningthauzam Bidya Laxmi, Zakaria, Malem Nganbi Devi Ngangom, Warisa, Wakil Maibom, Dhananjoy Laisram, then Gopal Krishna, Guru Mayum, Jamil Ahmad, Lairel Lakpom, Rupachandra. They have successfully participated in this quiz competition. This quiz competition is organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Lilong Horebi College in connection with the celebration of the Patriots Day, the 13th of August 2021. On the topic, the Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891. I am just repeating, the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891, giving homage to the patriots who sacrificed their life for the cause of the state, for the independence of the state. Bir Tikendrajit amade Thangal General anina Farsike Sagai nokna kakiba numit maramdam nungsiba simbuning singbun numit ka marilena na pangthok sabag na sige quiz competition je matang salo chali. And in this quiz competition, the maximum number of questions, the answers of maximum number of questions were given by Mr. Mutum Tenison Singh. He is from Sagolban, Lokham Leirak, and he is a student of DM College of Arts. He scored 25 points, and the second position was occupied by Sana Jauba. Sana Jauba is, where is Sana Jauba? Sana Jauba is, yes, Laisram Sana Jauba Singh. Laisram Sana Jauba Singh from Haubam Marak Laurembam Lekai. I am just repeating, Laisram Sana Jauba Singh from Haubam Marak Laurembam Lekai, and he is representing Manipur University, and he scored 15 points. Malem Nganbi Devi Ngangom from Nilakuti Makhalekai, representing DM College of Arts. She will receive a case award of rupees 500. Muhammad Wakil Ahmad, once again he is representing DM College of Arts, and Mr. Zubair. Anyway, they will share the prize. With this we come to the end of this online quiz competition this day, the 13th of August 2021, in connection with the Patriots Day celebration on the theme, the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891. Thank you so much, and thank you all the participants.